Hey guys, welcome back. So first thing I wanted to explain or wanted to say is apologize about how long it's been since I've uploaded a video. I'm currently in mechanical engineering school right now, and this past semester has just been freaking destroying me. But I think I finally have a good kind of game plan so that I can work on the car and be able to get all my homework done. But let's get to the engine. Alright, first thing we're going to be doing is installing spark plugs. So these are the NGK Iridium 7FR7AIX. So these are pretty much the plugs that most of the track Subarus recommend. There's a really good spark plug. I got mine to 0.203, which is a little bit tighter than the OEM spec. Just for boost, might not need it, I can always pull it out, but I'm going to gap a little bit tighter to start off with, so let's get these bad boys thrown in there. So this is the manifold that I have. This is a Tomei equal length header. 3-volt header. So just gonna get to it. Get her installed. For bolts on this, or nuts, I'm not using the regular Subaru bolts. These are called Stage 8 lockdown bolts. So what these do is you actually lock it down, you turn it, and then this locks in there so that when heat gets in there and expands and when the engine gets hot and everything moves around, this bolt cannot turn. Now if you put it down here, it can turn, but it's got these little grooves in it that keep it locked down. So let's get it installed. Sorry guys, my brain's a little foggy right now. I think I inhaled too much brake cleaner from trying to clean the valve covers. That's the word I was looking for, valve covers up. So let me show you how these lockdowns work. What you're gonna do is, once you get this bad boy tight, you're gonna set this in there against it, so pretty much right up against that. It's going to go all the way down. Then you have this little clip, and you simply clip it in there. That way, if it wanted to loosen, you wouldn't be able to. Ooh, let's put the up pipe on and the turbo, because I am excited to see those. Hey guys, so something was wrong with the audio on this part of the video, so I'm just going to voice over it. But this is a Grimspeed 3-volt up pipe. It's also connected to a 44mm tile wastegate. I think it has an 8-pound spring in it. So now that we've gone over that, let's move over to the turbo. Okay, I have no idea what was going on with my GoPro last night when I was trying to show you guys stuff, but let's try this again. So this is gonna be the turbo. This is a Blausch 20G with an 8-centimeter hot side. No, it obviously doesn't look like a very big turbo, but I'll put a picture of this turbo compared to the stock STI turbo, and it's a lot bigger. So we got the oil fitting done. I did have to recut it a little bit. It was a little too long, and it was kind of like squishing the line, and I just didn't like how it looked. So let's finally get her on. Son of a butterball. Alright, so the reason that I said that was because I realized after I tightened all the bolts down for the turbo that I forgot to put the coolant line for the turbo on. So for the next couple seconds, you get to see me struggle taking all the bolts back off, just enough to try to get the turbo coolant line on. Alright, turbo, it's finally on. Look at the little baby. He's so tiny. Alright, oil lines on, oil fittings on, all this crap is on. I know this probably wasn't the right sequence to do it, but I just needed some more motivation to get this done. So, alright, so realize that I don't know where any of the freaking bolts are for this. Like, half of the bolts are just gone. No idea. So I apologize about this video being so jumpy, but I just want to get as much done as this thing as I can. So there'll probably be a part 2 to this video, just so I can show you guys everything, and they're not super long, because I don't think many people want to watch 30 minutes, but we'll see. So next thing we're going to install is this 3-inch Perrin intake tube. Now I see a lot of, like, on the Facebook, like Subaru Facebook groups, and people asking in general about the 3-inch tubes, how they sit with the power steering line. Yes, it looks wrong. It looks like it's just shoved in there. It's just how it is. If you have a stock location turbo and you're trying to do 3-inch inlet pipe, it works perfectly fine, but it does look a little weird. So let's get this bad boy thrown on. Oh, that bad boy ain't going nowhere. This intake pipe does sit very close, or on top of, like, it's not, you can see it's still like going down. It does kind of sit on the power steering pump, but it's perfectly fine. It's not going to do anything. What do we want to do next? Oh, we could do cam seals. All right, let's do cam seals. All right, so for the cam seals, we've obviously got the intake ones and then exhaust ones. I believe that if you can do something without a special tool and spending the extra money and you can still get the same result, then why spend the money? Especially if you're going to only use it a handful of times. So all I've got is axle nut bolt, 32 millimeter, and we're gonna get it in like that. First thing I do is just lube this up a little bit, just so it's not going in dry. Just whoop, whoop, and then just put it in. All right, so we've got the intake cam on. I mean, honestly, when you just push on this, okay, we might need a little bit of persuasion. Oh, hi, buddy. Bud. And just like that. Nothing special. Now on to the exhaust. Oh, hi, kitty. You want to say hi to the peoples? Quick intermission break. I don't think I've introduced you guys to the aminals yet. Where are you at?
She's right there.
There. Oh.
Oh, she's scared.
Look. Oh.
Sweetie.
Look. Say hi.
Oh, good job.
Say hi, kitty.
Pen's in all of our clothes.
Of course she is. Coda, you want to say hi? Go there. Oh. Hi, Coda. Coda, look. Say hi. Oh, oh. Alright, let's get back to this now. Alright, same thing with the exhaust cam. Just make sure this is all clean. Debris free. Okay, not gonna lie, probably would be easier to use a tool, but don't have it. I don't like spending money on tools that I'm not gonna use all the time, so we're gonna deal. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side and we'll get on to the next thing. All right guys, this is another thing I wanted to show you. So this is the stock water pump. As you can see, I did cut off that one nipple that goes to the stock oil cooler. And I was gonna weld this up and weld it shut and everything, but I remembered that the older Subarus actually make this one, which has the same impeller for the water pump, but there's no there's no pipe for the oil cooler. So this is the one I did. I just figured it was a smarter solution instead of having something to weld, have an issue with it. So let's get this bad boy on. All right, these are all sealed up. Looking great. Now to get the timing covers on. Damn it. I really hate having to take things off to put other things on. So incredibly annoying. So I'm ending that video here. We will have a part 2 coming out very soon. I hope all of you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, anything like that, let me know. If you liked the video though, and you enjoyed it, like it. If you didn't though, tell me why. Till next time, peace out.